अरे इधर डिस्प्ले तो आगे क्यों जा रहा है? सोलो ठीक है जी। थैंक यू जी।
मैम यहाँ प्लीज। राइट साइड कल्की मैम। आंसर लग जाओ मैम दिस साइड मैम। चला जाओ। चलो यार एक साथ में निकालना है। चल एक साथ में अंदर सारे डोंट पोस्ट हाय हेलो
Please welcome the cast of Jia or Jia. With us we have Kalki. Welcome Kalki. Welcome Richa. Welcome Arslan. And welcome director sir. Welcome Howard. It's amazing. Please give them a huge round of applause. Zordar taaliyan. Wait. One second. Are you?
Great to see so many of you.
All of us. I think
Hi, what's up?
they want to see you guys a little closer. Do you mind coming? Now can I hear you? So, before we begin with everything, Mr. B.B. Singh, the founder of Consortium Saurav Mehra, the chairperson, the cast. Thank you so much guys for coming. It's amazing. Yes.
That's our director over here, Howard Rosemeyer.
So I think also now is a very nice time if we can light the lamp. Yeah? Are we lighting the lamp? Yes, perfect. Alright, so, but thank you so much sir. Thank you for all the support. It's really nice that you're giving so much support to. Thank you so much. Please give our principal a huge round of applause everybody. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Alright, let's begin. Let's show them the trailer first. Yeah? Let's show them the trailer. So the trailer is super amazing. You have to check this trailer out. Ladies and gentlemen. Alright, so between both the Jias, who's the cooler Jia? Who's the cooler Jia? Director sir, would you like to answer that please?
On a day when they're both looking so hot. Don't ask me that question! Okay, next question.
Okay, but this looks really nice. You know, Sweden, how many of you learned the language clearly? Like, because of course the language is really difficult. Did you guys?
I had to learn a little bit to say a few words.
He's half Swedish. He's half Indian, half Swedish.
I'm playing half Swedish.
How nice.
Speak some Swedish now.
Manera, what is it? Friend you keep calling them, Manera. I have to keep saying it. Flicka.
But overall, how was the experience of doing a movie like Jia or Jia?
Hello, mic check. It's like a big holiday that you go with on your friends, and somebody else is paying for everything, you know. You go to beautiful places, they take you to nice hotels, they make you do cool things, and somebody else is paying.
And you get paid for it also.
Very unreasonable things also they made us do. Yeah. Like we had to jump into an ice lake on the first day of shoot, which is something they do in Sweden. They go into a sauna 50 degrees and then you jump into ice, like a pool of ice. So we did that on our first day of shoot. Thanks, Howard.
But out of this entire experience, okay, I'm going to ask Howard, what was the most special moment of this entire trip? You told me 35 days you guys were in Sweden, you had a blast. But what is the most special, the highest point of this entire?
Oh, the highest point of this entire thing is where we've reached right now, actually.
Okay.
It was very challenging in the sense that it's a new country, new language, landscapes, the weather. It was cold, it was rainy, and there were moments when we thought this is not getting completed. You know, and every film goes through those moments. You know, we had timelines, we had schedules, but just the experience of the entire thing. It's my first film. You know, I've done other stuff also, like commercials and songs and stuff like that. But entire film, putting it together, the victory of that is something else to cherish.
But I'm going to ask you guys: is he a very strict director?
With me, yes.
He's not, I don't know if he's strict, but he's very precise about what he wants.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
I have to say this, like when we used to wake up in the morning, I used to think I'm the first person to wake up. But every time I used to wake up like 5:36, he used to be ready downstairs in the lobby and, you know, just taking rounds, thinking what he has to do for the whole day.
That's because the competition is with myself only. I try to beat my own time every day. So I'm always up.
With his lucky jacket.
And the girls are what, they get up really late? Is that?
Well, the girls were the girls, but they're very professional. Let me tell you. Okay, they've been like on this trip. They have been the reason this film has been able to be made. The way they adjusted to us, our conditions, sleeping in a van overnight, you know, those kind of things. Because we just didn't have sometimes the facilities because of the space that we were in. And sometimes there wasn't a green room, so they'd go into the trailer itself to change, put up curtains and all. So that adjustment from their side to get a thing done and completed was unbelievable. And there was no other way that could happen. It was cooperation from everybody.
So he was also telling us that, you know, there is this massive Bollywood influence in Sweden also. That there are a lot of Indians there and a lot of
Indians,
Pakistanis and stuff.
Yeah, from the Gulf.
Yes. And did they come and like say, ma'am autograph, ma'am photograph, ma'am this, that, you know?
Kalki used to get.
In Sweden?
Yeah.
Actually, I was recognized for one of my very, you know, famous films called That Girl in Yellow Boots that about 5 people saw. So in Sweden, it came out on television apparently with Swedish subtitles. I had no idea. So when we were lining outside a club one night, this young, handsome boy, Swedish, was like, "Oh, I've seen your film, you know, That Girl in Yellow Boots. Yeah, it's very nice." I was like, "Wow, awesome." And he took a picture with me and everything. I felt very cool.
But now, Richa, so frankly, I'm a fan because I love the way she utters her dialogues. I think nobody else can. I think it's absolutely amazing. Is there one dialogue in this? It's true. You can give it a huge round of applause for that. But
Thank you.
Is there any dialogue in this film that you'd like to tell us right now? Like anything, you know?
Well, there's a dialogue in the film, in the trailer you see, which is actually Kalki's dialogue, but it came from me because wo mere dil ki baat hai. When we look at him for the first time, we are like, "Oh, Makhan Malai."
I'm actually being called that on social media. You know, people are referring like Makhan Malai. Thank you guys for that.
That could be your new Instagram handle, by the way. Yeah, new Instagram handle, by the way.
Yeah, that should be my Instagram. Okay, I'll make note.
So we're also here to launch a new song, right? Nach Basanti. Do you want to tell us a little
Even
bit?
we've not seen it, guys, so we'll watch it with you.
For the first time.
That's amazing. All right, let's have the video of Nach Basanti.
Water, actually.
We had to drink water.
Drinking is bad, guys.
Yeah, but what is with you and giving her vodka all throughout the film? What is this?
Well, she's a very khadus, depressed woman in the film, and
Me.
And in the film, the character, and so you know, I'm trying to cheer her up in this song. And you know, they actually have a vodka island. They have an island where everything is, you know, flavored with vodka in some way or the other. So yeah, and it's very cold. It's freezing cold, so you have to drink, you know, to keep
What an
yourself warm.
excuse, huh? I like it. Anyway, so I'd like to call 2 or 3 students up who'd like to dance, and we'll do this entire song once again.
You want to do that?
Are you guys up for it? Are you guys up for it? Then you can make some noise.
Oh,
Can you make some noise?
Guys. We have an idea. Since this film is called Gia or Gia, I invite on stage 2 people with the same name.
2 friends. Best friends with the same
Like,
name. Any 2 best
like
friends.
Pooja and Pooja.
Have the same name. Are there people with two?
Are there
Any
two
two
people
good
with the
friends
same
with the
name?
same name.
Yes, we'll check your ID card.
Are
Don't
there
forget.
two Divyas? Are there two Rohits?
Poojas, Rohits.
Who are the two